Hey guys, welcome back to Whitewater Academy. This is Nick, and today we're going to be talking about PFDs. What are PFDs? They're personal flotation devices, not life jackets. Not going to save your life. If you're wearing one, you get hit by a car, guess what? It's not going to save your life against that car. They help you float. You have to help them. If your head is facing down in the water, you gotta turn up and face the sky so you can breathe. It's not gonna turn your head for you. We have two different types of PFDs right here. These are both type 5s, but they have different purpose. The main two PFDs you're gonna see in kayaking is a type 5 and a type 3. Type 5s are intended for specific purposes, such as kayaking. Both of these PFDs are type 5. The only difference is one's for rescues because it has a quick release valve, and this does not. Pretty easy to put on. Both these PFDs go over the head. But first, what you want to do is release all these buckles. Most have 3 on each side, some have 2. Slide it over the head, cinch it down starting at the bottom, then the top, then the center. Next, what you want to do is put your fingers under the top straps to pull up, and they shouldn't go above your ears. That's how you know it's nice and tight. Because if you can't breathe, you can't drown. Some PFDs have straps like this, some have zippers on the front, and some have buckles on the side. Be safe, wear a PFD, go out and have fun. See you on the river.